So today, it's just been gorgeous. It's also been very warm. Hasn't really felt like the Halloween season just yet, but eventually we're going to get there. This is our DBU camera. We've got lots of sun. Temperatures have been in the upper 80s. We've got an east wind, roughly around 10 miles an hour. So it's been fairly light. We're still at 86 degrees in Denton, 90 in Mineral Wells, 88 in Fort Worth, and 88 in Terrell. And by the way, 88 so far. That has been our high so far at DFW. Satellite and radar very clear. Our skies will continue to be clear this evening, overnight, and even really for much of tomorrow. But you can see that we are getting rain in parts of Texas, but we're talking about the panhandle. Everything's moving off to the north and east. We also have some showers in far south Texas, but that's it. Eventually, we do expect to see some rain move into North Texas, and we're talking about this weekend. The problem is that the latest trend, the latest data is starting to trend a little bit drier. So here's the deal. We're going to start the clock at 8 o'clock on Saturday morning. One thing's for sure, I think we're going to see at least a little bit of cloud cover because a cold front will be coming through. Now, the timing of this may change a little bit. We're still several days out. Yesterday, it was looking like it may come in a little bit closer to around midnight or so, but it's starting to speed up a little bit. So this is going to be noon. And that cold front is near Wichita Falls, so way to the north and west. But now we get to 6, closer to 7 o'clock, and we've got that cold front making its way through DFW, and there is some rain with it. But right now, the heaviest of the rain is starting to trend a little bit farther east of the Metroplex, and that's where we have a chance of at least seeing some thunderstorms as well. By about 10 o'clock, all of the rain moves into far east Texas, and then we're just looking at some cloud cover. We're looking dry. Temperatures behind it, though, will be a little bit cooler. So for your Sunday, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. But with those storms on Saturday afternoon and evening, there will be a low threat of severe storms. We're going to have that slight risk category for some of those far eastern counties. This does not include the Metroplex at this time. In fact, it looks like we could see a very minimal amount of rain so far. It looks like anywhere from 1/100th to maybe 1/4 of an inch of rain with the highest rainfall totals, and they're not even going to be all that high way off to the east. Tonight, though, we're going to be dry, mostly clear. Temperatures drop into the mid and upper 60s, and then tomorrow afternoon, lots of sunshine with temperatures making it back into the upper 80s. So for tonight, pleasant temperatures. We're starting out tomorrow morning in the upper 60s, but tomorrow afternoon will be very warm again. Highs in the upper 80s. We stay in the 80s Thursday, Friday. We've got 90 degrees still on Saturday. The cold front comes in Saturday evening, so we're down to 80 degrees on Sunday, keeping the 80s around through about October 22nd. And then we finally see those temperatures in the 70s, and it looks like they stay there for a while with overnight lows dropping into the 50s. Guys, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Cassie.